to our YouTube channel, Human Nature. And today's video guys, andito yung bayaw ko guys. Today is our 20th day no, ng ating negosyo sa pamumulot ng basura. And we are happy guys na nalagpasan natin yung kalahati ng ating 30 days coastal cleanup challenge. And ngayon guys, kukunin namin ang mga pit bottles. So yan guys, no? We will start. See you. Is our 30th day. It's our culmination day para sa ating 30 days coastal cleanup challenge. And yeah, yan guys, kasama natin ngayon yung bayaw ko, si Edmond Kubay. Itong isa, guest natin si Danilo Redoblado at si Joel Nestor Kiap. Yan guys, and we will perform, gagawin namin ang 29th day ng 30 days coastal cleanup challenge. So we are very happy na isang araw na lang guys and matatapos na, no? Tomorrow is our big day, it's our culmination day. And yan mga kapakoy, please support us to continue this kind of advocacy, this kind of activity, helping our environment and also the activities that can help our yung sa mga sa mga kapwa natin, no? Yung mga magagandang bagay. So enjoy guys and see you.
Could you be the one? Go.
So yan mga kasama, tingnan nyo sa likod na gano'n sila, nag-practice sila ng skimboard, skateboarding na sport. Yan, no? Shout out sa mga
Kadua Skim Community.
Kadua Skim Community. Shout out. Taga saan? Purok 3, Kadua Skimboard Community. Yan guys, mga kapakoy, shout out sa kanila.
Go, could you be the one? Dance.
Grabe guys, kahit na araw-arawin ang paglilinis, hindi kaya ano. Hindi talaga kaya ano no, kasi sobra talagang dami ng basura. Kaya tayo makakatulong sa inang kalikasan sa pamamagitan ng hindi paggamit ng mga single-use plastics, pag-iwas at pagtapon sa tamang lagayan. Yan, para maiwasan natin ang mga basura. Guys, official videographer and official editor. Yan si Kim Hua Hu.
Kim Huang Hu. Hawak dong.
Anong YouTube channel mo?
Yo guys, please support Chill Kim. CHILL and dash Kim.
So yan guys, please support guys. Please subscribe sa YouTube channel niya and sana supportahan nyo kami no para mapapatuloy namin itong mga ganitong mga gawain. So yeah, enjoy watching guys. Mga kapakoy, tapos na kami sa 29th day of our 30 days Coastal Cleanup Challenge and we are very excited mga kapakoy for tomorrow's activity, big day as our culmination to our 30 days Coastal Cleanup Challenge. So guys, yan o, isang sako na ng basura na pulot namin and this is to remind us na dapat hindi natin itapon yung basura natin kung saan dapat itapon natin sa tamang lagayan. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next video tomorrow sa ating culmination. God bless. Please, for those who are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button below and also notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na aming ilalabas. And don't forget to like and share. And thank you very much. We love you all. See you. God bless and peace.